I wake up in the quiet rooms where every thought just circles you. The walls are thin, they always hear the things I never say out loud. I move slow like time is cracked. Every smile feels like a knife. I keep my hands inside my coat so no one sees how cold they are. The city talks, I turn it out. Too many names, too much doubt. I learn to stand, I learn to stay, but never learn to walk away. I don't ask for clarity, I just want the noise to sleep. If I'm distant, let it be, this is how I breathe. I live in the quiet rooms where nothing hurts but nothing moves. I don't break, I don't react. I fold my feelings, keep them flat. I fade into familiar walls. I hear my name but never call. If I seem lost, it's just the truth. I learn to hide inside the The mirror doesn't talk back now. It just reflects the same old doubt. As I learn to look away from every word they couldn't say. I keep my thoughts in smaller lines so they don't spill, so they don't shine. Hope feels loud, so I stay low. I trust the dark more than the glow. People change, I stay the same. Comfort lives inside the gray. Not broken, no, just out of sync. I pause too long before I think. I don't need to be understood. I'm misunderstood myself enough. If I'm sorry, don't be scared. I'm still I live in the quiet rooms where nothing hurts but nothing moves. I don't break, I don't react. I fold my feelings, keep them flat. I fade into familiar walls. I hear my name but never call. If I seem lost, it's just the truth. I learn to hide inside the Maybe peace is overrated. Maybe calm just feels like vacant. I don't chase what I can't feel. I just hold on to what is real. No drama, no release, just a steady kind of weak. Not a cry, not a scream, just a slow retreat. I live in the quiet rooms. I made a home out of the moon. I don't shine, I don't collapse. I learned the art of holding back. If someday